How to delete iCloud photos from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete iCloud photos from iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it really depends upon what you're actually talking about. Are you talking about you just want to remove the photos that are backed up to iCloud but still keep the ones on your phone? Now to do this, I would recommend you open your browser, go to iCloud.com and log into your account. When you go to iCloud.com from your browser, you will only see the photos that are already backed up to iCloud and not on your iPhone only. So since they are only backed up to iCloud, that's why they show on iCloud.com. So you can select the photos there. Depending upon which ones you'd like to delete, you can go ahead and delete them if you'd like. If you're talking about the normal photos, you can also open the Photos app and then choose to delete them if you'd like. This way you can delete photos from iCloud on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.